Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This evening, I'm excited to share some key strategies on how to create a sustainable video editing business. If you don't know who I am, my name is Colin, also known as Editor Colin. I've been in this industry for a while now, 4 years to be exact, and now I'm making 10K a month at 19 years old and racking up over 50 million views in the process. So here I am to help you navigate your own journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your existing editing business, these tips will give you a solid foundation and even a bit more than that. So let's dive into it. And yes, I am reading off a script because like I like to say, I'm a professional video editor, not a professional speaker. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. First things first, you need to know your niche. For me, it's gaming content, which is incredibly popular and ever evolving. This focus not only helps you stand out in a crowded market, but also allows you to become an expert in that area. When you identify your niche, you can tailor your services and marketing efforts to attract the right clients. For instance, if you love editing content for gaming streamers, dive deep into the trends in that world. Understand what works and what viewers enjoy. If you're into vlogs, tutorials, or any other kind of content style, hone in on that as well. And remember that your niche can evolve over time. I've done plenty of experimenting over my years, and you should probably do the same to see what really sticks out to you and what you enjoy doing. So don't be afraid to adapt as you gain experience and learn more about what you like to edit. Finding your niche is all about passion and expertise, so take the time to explore what resonates with you. And if you think you need more help narrowing down your focus, shoot me a DM over on Twitter at SmilesVideos. And that's Smiles with a Z. Next, you want to focus on building your skills. This step is vital because the editing landscape is always changing with new softwares, techniques, and trends. Whether it's learning new editing software, improving your storytelling techniques, or mastering pacing, there is always room for growth in editing. I'm telling you right now, to save yourself years, take online courses, watch tutorials, or even practice on your own projects. I've invested a ton of time into improving my craft, and the results have been life-changing. What I mean by this is I took the time to learn from others who were exactly where I wanted to be, and implementing everything I learned from them for myself. And it really pays off. Plus, if you're constantly learning, you'll stand out to potential clients. You're not just, some editor who edits the same thing every day, and clients will recognize that passion and skill and devotion and really look up to you for that. If you're looking for personalized guidance, I offer one-to-one mentoring where I help editors like you develop their skills to scale their business. My one-to-one mentoring program has achieved amazing results for several students, many of whom have significantly increased their monthly earnings and landed high-quality clients after our coaching. For example, there's my client Vaughn. She got 8 clients in 5 days. I also took another one of my students from working at Raising Cane's to making $1,000 a week video editing. It's really some amazing stuff. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. So if you'd like to hear more about that, book a call in the description, then check out the several interviews and testimonials on my channel. And while I'm doing this shameless plug, I promise it's almost done. Remember, my private community also offers resources to help you stay up to date with the most recent trends and skills, such as outreach, posting high quality gigs, and more. But back to the video, thank you for listening. Now let's talk about setting your rates. It's important to charge what you're worth. Research what other editors in your niche are charging and position yourself accordingly. When I first started, I undervalued my work so much and didn't realize the impact that had on my business. I did my first video for $12 USD. I'm sure a lot of you can relate to that when you're first starting out, not charging what you're worth, but I promise, charge based off of your skills, not how long you've been editing. However, as time passed, once I got my pricing right, reflecting my skills and the value that I brought, my business took off. It's crucial to find that sweet spot where you're competitive, but also offering your time and expertise. I recommend starting with a base rate and then adjusting as you gain more experience and confidence in your own skills. Don't be afraid to raise your rates when you feel you've provided more value. It's a very natural part of the growth process. Additionally, consider offering packages that bundle services, as it can make your offers much more appealing to clients. If you're not doing this, you're losing out on a ton of money. I'm talking thousands and thousands. If you're one of my former or current students, you know exactly what I'm talking about here. Finding clients can feel daunting, but there's many ways to do it. Networking is key. So there's Twitter communities, Discord servers, even Reddit. Yes, years back, I was even on Reddit trying to find clients. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I've landed many clients through connections I made in my private community where we support each other and share opportunities. Engaging in discussions, offering value, and showcasing your work are great ways to make connections. Don't forget about leveraging your existing network. It's honestly been such a pleasure chatting to all of you, and those long discussions in the Discord have honestly been such a blast and fun chance to learn from one another. In my opinion, it's a super fantastic resource for ongoing support and networking, so you can find your next big client with relative ease. I encourage you, if you're interested in that, the link is in the description. Another essential step is create a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your showcase, it's you. It's what potential clients will look at to determine if you're the right fit for their projects. Showcase your best work and make sure it reflects your niche and style that you want to attract. A well-crafted portfolio can make a huge difference in attracting clients. To ensure that it aligns with the type of projects that I want to take on, updating it with my latest and most impressive work. Include a variety of projects that demonstrate your skills and versatility, and don't hesitate to add client testimonials if you have them. Lastly, don't put all your eggs in one basket. What I mean by this is diversify your income. Diversifying your income streams is crucial for long-term sustainability. This can mean offering different services like video editing for YouTube, Twitch highlights, or even creating online courses about editing techniques. I found that having multiple sources of income not only stabilizes your earnings, but also opens up new opportunities for growth and creativity and passion. Think about what additional services you can offer beyond your skills. So for example, if you enjoy teaching, consider creating tutorials as well. These can generate passive income while also establishing you as an authority in the editing space, which obviously both editors and clients will find attractive. And if you're interested in learning how to do this effectively, my mentoring program does cover strategies for diversifying your income as a video editor, helping you brainstorm ideas and implement them successfully, as I've done for many in my community. So there you have it, my top tips for creating a sustainable video editing business. I genuinely love sharing my journey and helping others succeed in this industry. It is my true passion in life, above actual editing itself even. So all that being said, if you're very serious about scaling your video editing business, I invite you to join my private community for only $38 and check out my one-to-one mentoring if you're ready to go to the moon. With weekly group coaching sessions, access to high quality jobs, and constant access to me for support, we can help you reach your goals together. So thank you so much for watching. Keep working hard. I'm so proud of you.